We found these Cakebites. I think I found them at Walmart. I'm not sure. Minions. And then we'll have these little coffee cake ones, which are apparently a cinnamon type cake. And today we have Lily and Taylor. Let's see what they look like. Can you push it over here?
Oh, that one got
let's see. Oh, look how adorable.
This colorful one is obviously the Minions.
Well, which one are you guys going to
Coffee cake.
Yeah, you're going to do the cinnamon coffee cake first? Okay.
Let's go!
I really like them. They taste like a Z-bar.
It tastes like a Z-bar? What, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, and they're really good, and I love Z-bars. So
You like them?
But I guess they're okay.
And you say they're okay. Okay, pause. Okay, now we're going to try the Minion cakes.
This one looks really good.
So cute.
They are cute, aren't they?
They're blue and yellow.
This tastes like a cake.
My favorite.
That one's your favorite too? They come in the cutest little packages. Look at that. All right. Well, thank you for playing. I guess it's the Minion cakes for win.
Yep.
Thanks for playing. Bye.